A lot of people have been requesting, so I'm just gonna do this. Hey guys, for those who don't know me, my name is Selamat. I'm a videographer, a director, editor, and also a photographer. I've been doing this for more than 10 years now, and trust me, I love it. I had a cool experience shooting with the flower guru, Razak Flora, and I want to share with you guys a bit of behind the scenes of what went on and how I did the shoot. So guys, let's check it out, the behind the scenes. Two angle. And cut. Nice. Dia suruh abang ajak masuk, abang ajak setting masuk.
Baru start buat lah?
Kita banyak masuk. Lepas tu kita buat the step by step lah. Yang abang ajak buat. So contoh macam first step abang ajak gambar apa? Kita potong salah-salah.
Potong semua dah siap lah.
Abang
ajak akan ambil ni dulu.
Nanti kita akan ambil yang besar abang kat
Nah, itulah.
so nanti dia sejambak dengan so dia ni pun abang ajak ambil
Mana?
Ini kita ambil
Dia baca ambil kan benda tu. Kan kau macam yang biru yang awak tunjuk. Macam dia gunting dia campak gitu kan.
Abang ajak nak daripada ambil.
Oh, dia pernah ambil.
3, 2, 1, go. Okay, nice. Okay, cut. Tengok kau ajak je. Kau ajak siku. Okay ya.
Itu campur pula.
Duduk. Ni abang boleh slow motion, slow speed.
Okey.
Ya, okey, go.
Tak sempat kejar kan?
Tadi ni pace, dia cepat.
Koyak.
Okey, nice. Sebab kita 3, 2, 1, go. Apa bulu ni? Abang ajak angkat, tak dekat tong tu.
Okey, jadi.
Dah. Okey. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Nice. I hope you liked the video. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Selamat, for more videos like this and to make me talk more in front of the camera. Bear with me, I'm still new at this. Thank you, terima kasih, and goodbye.